This is Joe Barr with the PopDoc support team. I'm just going to show you today how to add a user variable to a list so that your users will be required to enter a value before the query will run. What this does is instead of your users opening up a list and it just querying the first 100 records or however many records you have it set up to, it will ask for a value, and without entering that value, the list will not run. So for the example, I'm going to use the Business Central Posted Sales Invoices, and we're going to go over to connectors to edit the Business Central connector, and we're going to go to lists, find that Posted Sales Invoices list. We're going to edit the list, go to variables here in the left-hand menu. Under user variables, you're going to click to add a new user variable. And here I'm just going to name it customer number, give it the same label. It's a string. And this is the key part here, making this value required. And then next, because we have that customer number, we need to set up a restriction so that it filters down the data to exact customer number that we're looking for. And under value, to get your user variables, you have to click on this icon here on the field and go to select variable, then select your variable from the dropdown, and then go ahead and click add. So now that restriction is created and the variable's ready to go. So I'm going to head back over to the main page for PopDoc. I'm going to close out this list that we had open since we made some major changes. I just want to make sure everything goes through successfully. I'm going to add the tab back and add the Posted Sales Invoices list. And here immediately you'll see it's going to ask for the variable. And I know that 50,000 is one of the customer numbers. So I'm going to enter that and click save. And there it goes. It queried and filtered down to the exact customer number that I wanted. If you needed to make a change to the variable, you would click filter, go to variables, and make a change here. But now every time a user opens up this list, I'll show you again, it's going to require that value. And if no value is entered, it's going to give you an error. It's not going to let you pass this. So if you put a customer number doesn't exist, and it's going to go and not find any data. So yeah, that is how you add a user variable to a list.